Hello, and welcome to the Alfacast. So, today I have a new 3DS XL, the American version. I didn't have one for a while, so sorry it's late. So here it says some stuff. You can't focus the camera. Yeah, you can't focus. So here are the other stuff on the back, what it can do and stuff. So I got it today. So I'll open it. It's kind of hard opening it. It's the new black version. Okay, wait. Okay, I finally opened it. Sorry, the light might be kind of weird. I have some light there. I'll keep it like this. It seems better. So here we have this. We'll just pull it out. So here's the stuff. Here's inside the box. Nothing. I don't think so. Yeah. So they are AR cards, same as usual. But it's weird. It doesn't come in a folder anymore, like it used to in the 3DS. Because this is my 3DS. I don't have the 3DS XL. I need something bigger because look at my fingers. Just no. Okay. Yeah. What else is inside here? Just a manual and stuff. Like, it said something like you can take off the cover, but that's only for the new 3DS, which is not sold in America, sadly. Anyway, I wouldn't get it. So that's it. Okay, and here is the new 3DS. Why did they make it this way? It's so hard. But this doesn't come with a charger, which is kind of weird because I don't know why Nintendo stopped doing. Whoa, this is big. This is really big. Not used to having a 3DS XL. I never had anything XL. DSi, normal DSi. Oh wow, looks nice. It's big. Like, if you look closely, I bet you can't see it in the camera now. You can only see the reflection. But there's like a whole bunch of tiny dots on it. But it's like reflecting, like this one. It's really nice. So, here you have your stylus, I see. Well, the stylus is really different compared to this one. This one's really thick. This one you have to pull out also. So everything's in the front now pretty much. You have that, this, the game thing. So I think so it takes the same one as the other 3DS. You just put it in. Oh yeah. Kind of weird. What's in the back? Oh, it's a charger. So yeah, 2 buttons now. I'll open it up. Wow. Cool. So it has that face tracking thing, volume thing on the side now. 3D. Yeah. Home button, this, that, the select. Oh, the C stick. It doesn't move. My friend told me like the C stick doesn't move. Which is kind of weird, but I guess it's okay. So the start and select button. How lighter is it? It might be actually. It's heavier actually. Sort of side comparison. Oh wow! So this one can like snap this way, but this one can only snap like this. Can this snap like all the way down? Cool. And also it has a little dent right here, like for the C-stick. Oh, so it feels natural, like 2 buttons on the back. So it's the ZR, ZL. Cool. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, there's the power button. turn it on. You can see me in the reflection. Maybe it will load. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, right now I can't select anything, so it's 3D. So it has the face tracking 3D. English. It's kind of weird that the A button is red. Let me select it. Okay. 3D all the way. Okay. Hold your system as shown now straight above. Screen straight on. Do I have to? Activate 3D. Oh, it does have the face tracking 3D. Oh wow, so does 3D. Okay. Do you see the 3D? No. I never used the 3D in the other DS because it always annoyed me, the thing, but now it's face tracking. Your face is displayed on the upper screen. Nope, that's not my face. Right. Oh yeah, now it sees my face. Alright. That you will still see when you move your head, change the view angle. Yeah, I still see it even though I'm moving it. Yeah. I'll turn it off. Next, I'll turn up the volume a little bit. Here's the boring stuff. Month. Let me check I know the month, but I'm gonna check the time later. It's the 18th. I don't know days. Why does it say on 2014? It came out 2015, right? Oh yeah, of course it did. 4/24. Right, just to be sure. Oh darn it, I always get confused. So 16, right? Yeah, 16, I think. Yeah. Sorry. So it's gotta be 14, 20, 16, 25, right? Just checking my phone. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Enter nickname. My name is Adrian. Birthday. You don't have to see that. Right now it's showing the country, but I can't put it back down because you'll see my birthday. Now state. And you can see this. Okay, I finished up setting this all up. So I'll just zoom in. Alright. So now oh, the home button. Okay, it's loading. Cool, so I can customize the home screen, but I'm not gonna sign in or anything yet because I'm still signing into this DS. And I need a new SD card for micro SD card for this. So yeah, bigger everything. It's cool. It's really cool. So, oh, okay, so I can move it like this, like, okay, it's not that hard. It's like, oh, it's not as bad as I thought. It's like touchscreen. Whoa, what's this? This is a new app. 3D visual experience. Oh, that's cool. So you can't really push it like this, let's say. You have to have your finger on it, like... some apps are installed now, like Nintendo Zen. Was that a thing? I don't remember. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So now when I turn it off, where's the power button? So I have to hold it, click power off. Okay. Oh, so the mic's here and everything. So the new 3DS XL. It's really cool. I recommend it to everyone. Or you get the other new 3DS, but it's not in America. Just this one's good because it's for my hand, big enough for my hands. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.